In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Firebase project from scratch. Firebase is Google's platform for building web and mobile apps, and every app you build there starts with a project. By the end, you'll be on your project dashboard and ready to connect an app or explore features like authentication, Firestore, and cloud functions. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Any modern browser works. If you use different Google profiles, double-check you're signed in to the account you want to own this project. If you're part of a team, make sure you have permission to create projects under your organization before proceeding. Once you're in the console, look for the Add Project or Create a Project button. If this is your first time, it may appear front and center. If you've created projects before, you'll see it near the top of the project list. Click it to begin the setup flow. Enter a project name. Pick something descriptive so you can identify it later, like the app or environment it represents. You'll be asked to accept the Firebase terms, review them, and confirm to continue. Firebase may also generate a project ID based on your name. That identifier is used behind the scenes, so avoid personal information and choose something you're comfortable seeing in URLs and logs. Next, you'll have the option to enable Google Analytics for this project. This step is completely optional. Turning it on lets you collect usage and event data across your apps. If you enable it, you can keep the default settings or adjust them according to your organization's policies. If you prefer not to collect analytics right now, simply leave it off. When you're ready, click Continue or Create Project to let Firebase set everything up. Firebase will provision your project, which can take a few moments. You'll see a confirmation screen when it's ready. Click Continue to enter your project dashboard. From here, you can add an iOS, Android, or web app, configure authentication providers, set up databases, and more. A helpful tip: bookmark this dashboard so you can return quickly, and consider noting the project name and ID in your documentation for future reference. And that's it. You've created a Firebase project and reached the dashboard ready for the next steps in your development workflow.